Follow along to make this easy number wheel. You need a copy of a wheel with the numbers 1 through 10, 10 clothespins, and a marker. If you cannot find this number wheel online to print, you can create your own. One simple way would be to trace a pot top. You can use a ruler to section off the circle into 10 equal slices. Then use circle stickers on each wedge. You could also take a marker and draw a circle on each wedge, numbering 1 through 10. Next, write the number and then the visual representation of that number on each clothespin from 1 to 10. You can also laminate the number wheel for repeated use. Make sure to trim the excess material. Mix up the clothespins and have your child match the number of dots on the clothespin to the number of dots on the wheel. This craft could easily be adapted to letters in your child's name or the letters of the alphabet. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.